Alright, so let me show you around the car a little bit. Mismatched hood, bunch of bird poop and whatnot. So we haven't even touched this since we bought it. Side skirt's cut in half. Roof's in overall good shape, it works. Wheels have some curb rash. Got this wing. What else? Oh yeah, this is gonna have to be repaired. I think Danny's gonna take care of it. So yeah, that's the car for now. And today is the first day we're gonna be working on it. Gonna be washing it, prepping it for wrap. Alright, just got done washing up the car. It's pretty much step one of prepping the paint for wrap. There's still some spots I gotta go over. I gotta dry up the wheels. The front bumper I didn't really care for too much because we're getting a new front bumper. I think it's a Voltex, a replica Voltex bumper actually. That's on the way, so I didn't really care about that. Wheels came out pretty nice. Yeah, so the paint's pretty much good to go. Need to get that sanded down. Oh, yep, need to get that sanded. Why does that keep getting blurry? Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna sand that down, make it as smooth as possible. Before wrapping it, these side skirts gotta come off. A lot of stuff got to come off, so this was the first step. Next step will pretty much be removing the parts that need to be removed. I'm gonna be taking out the headlights, front bumper comes out, the mirrors, the door handles, those side skirts, the wing. Hold up, there's a plane passing by. Alright, hopefully you can hear me now. Anyways, so gotta get all that out. That's the next step. And then after that, I'll be clay barring the car. I've never done that before, but it doesn't seem too hard. What that does is pretty much removes like those little things, like, I don't know if you can see that. Those little things, it makes the paint as smooth as possible. So yeah, let us know down below what color you guys think we're gonna be wrapping it. We already have it ordered and everything, so we know, but let us know what color you guys would wrap this. So thank you for watching. We'll be back with episode 2 of the S2000 build. Peace.